Hello friends! Today is International Women's Day, and I want to address my warmest wishes to all the women in power semiconductors field. I know how many of you work in this industry and how much you invest in it. Thank you all and greetings from all the men. And now let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Infineon Technologies is launching the new EDT2 IGBTs. The devices are optimized for automotive discrete traction inverters and expand Infineon's portfolio of discrete high-voltage devices for automotive applications. Due to their high quality, the IGBTs meet and exceed the industry standard for automotive components. As a result, the devices can significantly increase the performance and reliability of inverter systems. With the automotive micro-pattern trench-fill stop cell design, the IGBTs are based on a technology that has already been successfully utilized in several inverter modules such as the Easy Pack or the Hybrid Pack. TOSHIBA Devices and Storage Corporation has added 4 products to its series of 650-volt new generation super junction structure and channel power MOSFETs that are used for switching power supplies of industrial equipment for data centers, power conditioners for photovoltaic generators, and so forth. The lineup has been expanded with respect to package, drain source on resistance, and gate drain charge. FormFactor, a leading semiconductor test and measurement supplier, introduced the Tesla 300 high-power semiconductor probing system. Designed specifically for IGBT and power MOSFET device measurements, the Tesla 300 provides accurate data at up to 10,000 volt and up to 600 amps current on 300 mm wafers. Integrating new capabilities, the Tesla 300 enables high throughput, unattended testing over a wide thermal range to speed development and low production cost of power devices. InventChip Technology, a Chinese semiconductor company that focuses on silicon carbide power devices, has established a strategic fund financed exclusively by new energy vehicle manufacturer Guangzhou Xiaopeng Motors Technology. The fund will be used to expand the market for research and development, to retain talent, and for investment in operations. No details were given of the amounts involved. InventChip is the first company in China to develop 6-inch silicon carbide metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors and has so far shipped 400,000 units. The European Investment Bank is providing significant financial support to STMicroelectronics. A €600 million loan for the Semiconductors Group's research and development and pre-industrialization activities in Europe. The operation concerns investments in R&D activities for innovative technologies and components, as well as in pilot production lines for advanced semiconductors. These investments will be implemented in STMicroelectronics existing facilities in Italy and France. They will contribute to the development of technologies and products to address the major challenges of environmental transition and digital transformation in all sectors. ONSEMI, a leader in intelligent power and sensing technologies, is executing on its Fab-Liter manufacturing strategy with the ultimate goal of sustainable financial performance through gross margin expansion. The company signed an agreement to divest its South Portland fab. Earlier, ONSEMI closed on the sale of its wafer fabrication facility in Belgium. As ONSEMI transitions production to more efficient fabs within its network, it will improve its cost structure by eliminating fixed costs associated with the sold fabs and lowering its unit costs. This amazing book, GaN Power Devices and Applications, provides an update on gallium nitride technology and applications by leading experts. The book starts with 2 years of new information on technology developments, design techniques, and reliability beginning right after the publication of the 3rd edition textbook. In a practical sense, this book includes detailed descriptions of the latest examples of gallium nitride's usage in power supplies, LiDAR, motor drives, and space applications. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.